And to wrap up the news, let's tell you that a professor of mathematics at Obafemi Awolowo University, Professor Temitope Jayeola, has emphasized the need to strengthen Nigeria's visibility in specialized mathematics. Professor Jayeola, an educational analyst on VOP TV's Edu Dialogue program, made this known while delivering the third chair Occupier public lecture of the Pastor Enoch Adeboye Professorial Chair in Mathematics at the University of Lagos.
His work extends to interdisciplinary application of algebraic in cryptography, sociology, sports systems, physical and chemical systems, and biological inheritance.
He noted that mathematics is not static and stressed the importance of leveraging homegrown mathematical models to advance Nigeria's digital economy and security solutions.
Identity inverses. Closure, when a man and a woman come together, they give birth to a child, a human being. Closure. Associativity, when you have a man, a woman, and a child, they associate, they discuss. When you have 2, 3 people, they discuss, they become friends. Identity, when you are able to discuss someone who, no matter the level of interest of the person upon your life, you still remain who you are, essence of identity. And even when you seem to go crazy in life, you need someone to always bring down your craziness so that you become normal, essence of inverse.
Other stakeholders at the event described the lecture as not just academic but also a source of inspiration, encouraging everyone to embrace mathematics in studies and careers.
Mathematics is the language of creation, from the stars above to the structures we build. It reveals God's order in the universe, because in Psalm 19 it was declared there, the heavens declare the glory of God.
It was never intended to be a ceremonial chair. It was meant to work. It meant to send it teaching, deepen research, and place this university family on global mathematical map. Over the years, we have got that intention steadily translated into tangible outcomes.
University of Lagos has utilized the first funding that was given to them very well. By God's grace, the support will continue.
Indeed, Nigeria can take its rightful place in the world of mathematics, and the subject must continue to drive innovation and strengthen the nation.